In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add a search bar to your Google Sites. So the first thing you want to do is to log into your Google Sites dashboard. And then you want to open a new tab, and then you want to go to this website right here, which is from Steagle.com. It's a code you can use to embed a Google search bar to your site. So I will leave a link down in the description to this page here. And what you want to do next is actually to copy this code here. But keep in mind that this, where it says, this text is highlighted, where it says replace with your site's search URL, you want to change this URL with your own. I will show you how to do this. So let's just copy this code. And then you want to click embed in the right corner here. And then you want to click embed code. And you want to paste the code inside here. And the next thing you want to do is to go to your published site. And then you want to click the search symbol up in the top right corner. And then you want to search something on your site. And here is some text you want to copy. And you want to copy the text just before the equal sign here. And straight to the beginning of the URL. And then you want to find where it says replace your URL with your URL. Here it is. And you want to just highlight it, and then you want to paste your own URL inside here. And then you want to click next, and then you want to click insert. And you can adjust it just the way you want. And then you want to click publish. And if you're happy with how it looks, you click publish again. So now let's go to our home page and see if this is working. So let's just refresh this page. And as you can see, it works perfectly well. A last thing I want to show you is if you want to replace this text with your own custom text, it now says search this site. You want to click on the search bar again, and then you want to click edit. You want to scroll all the way to the bottom where it says search this site. And here you want to replace this text with your own custom text. And then you want to click next, and then you want to click save. And as you can see, it is now updated with my own custom text. So this is how you put a search bar on your Google Sites. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.